Welcome to Elevate, your gateway to managing your organization's fleet. In this video, we will show you how to create a fleet manager account, register aircraft, and assign a pilot login that's authorized to fly. Let's start by visiting app.inspired.flights. At the top right of the page, click Get Started. Here, you'll create your organization's fleet manager account. Enter your name and contact info, your organization's details, and a mailing address. Once submitted, you'll receive an email with your username and a temporary password. These credentials unlock access to the entire Inspired suite, including Elevate, Pilot Go, and IGC. Now, head back to the login screen from app.inspired.flights. The first time you log in, you will need to create your new password. Use your new temporary password to log in, then update your password. Once that's completed, we can click on Register My Aircraft. Here, you can enter your drone serial number to connect it to your organization. This step gives you control over who is authorized to fly each aircraft in your fleet. Here, we can also give your aircraft a name, add the FAA registration, and assign it to your fleet. We can also authorize pilots from this screen, but for now, let's click Save Aircraft to Fleet. Now that we have our first aircraft saved, we will see a pop-up asking to log in to the aircraft. As a reminder, the login credentials we just created will be used to log into IGC on the aircraft. For now, let's skip this. The next pop-up will allow us to jump to assigning pilot logins, but first, we need to create a pilot account. So let's take a look at View My Aircraft. Here, we can see the details of the aircraft we just added to our account. By clicking on Aircraft on the left navigation bar, we can see at a glance all the aircraft in our fleet and what status they are in. To add a second aircraft to your account, click on Manage Aircraft. Click the plus icon at the top right and follow the previous steps to add another aircraft. With the second aircraft added, on the Details page, we can update the status of the drone and add notes. Now, let's add a pilot. Click the Settings tab in the left navigation bar, then select Manage Team Members. At the top right of this screen, click the plus icon to add a new member. Fill in their name, work email, phone number, and assign them a role like pilot. From here, we can authorize vehicles such as assign to all IF-1200s, all IF-800s, or select Customize Authorizations. Clicking here will add the pilot profile and take you to the Custom Aircraft Authorization screen. Here we can select which aircraft this profile is authorized to use. Now let's head back to the settings, then to Manage Team Members. Depending on your screen, you may need to scroll over to reveal the Issue Login button. To complete the process, click on Issue Login. This will send a welcome email to the pilot with their username and a temporary password. Again, these credentials will be used for the pilot to access Elevate, Pilot Go, and IGC. Once the pilot finishes setting up their account, they can use the same login to unlock and fly any authorized aircraft, and log into Pilot Go for pre-flight checks and to add post-flight notes. If a user forgets their password at any time, the Fleet Manager account can send a reset password for the user from the Manage Team Members page. If a pilot can't fly, check to ensure they have been assigned a role and that they are authorized to at least one aircraft. And those are the basics for creating an account and registering your aircraft. These new tools from Inspired Flight offer a more secure method for how pilots are authorized to fly your fleet aircraft, essentially giving you the keys to the vehicles.